Hello, my beautiful people. This is Valerie. This is how you do it. I am showing you how to keep a pot going. Well, you say, Val, keep a pot going. This is the Spanish rice and chicken and rice that I had. And I'm trying to show you what I mean by doing this crisis, how you don't stop. Just add to it. Just add to it. Add to your pot. This is how you feed a multitude. Just add to it. Okay. Okay, here we go. Carrots. Beans. Why you say, Val, them beans look funny. These are garbanzo beans. Garbanzo beans. Put them in there. This rice here is going to loosen up with those just what? 3 pieces of 3 legs. It's got some little sauce in it. We're making a soup now. Put some beans in it. Put some beans in it. Season it. And you got yourself a whole nother meal that's been started. Okay, here we go. Put some water in it. That was garlic salt. This is some all-purpose seasoning. Put some more little, just garlic powder. So just season your pot according to what you like. What kind of seasoning you are used to, or what kind of seasoning you can have. Okay, let's see. Put some water in here. Make yourself some cornbread, and then you got yourself some, which I will be hooking up some cornbread in a little while, and this will be a good soup. And if this go down, and you just look at this, only you put 3 cans in here. Those gazamo beads, Willie don't really just like eating them by themselves. That was sugar. And he don't like eating them by themselves, so that's why I put them in the soup. And this is Valerie. This is how you do it. Stretch your pot.